Okay, so again the BA Falcon, this time it's a bonnet release cable, and as you can see this is one end here and the lever's been shredded off, leaving this moulded lug on the end, and temporary fixes to use a set of vice grips just to pull that to release the bonnet, but it's quite stiff. The plastic is very thick in that section, so it's eventually fatigued and fallen apart. This is the other end that pulls on the bonnet catch. I'll have a look at that in a second. You get these parts off eBay, and they've got a revised model. This came in a Ford, genuine Ford package, OEM package, and you can see they've beefed up these lugs here. This looks a bit stronger. Okay, and it mounts up to the fuse box in here, and I'll just show you, hopefully you can feed that in here. It slides all the way back, and then just sits neatly in there like that. Okay, and obviously up under here you struggle to see it, but up in the kick panel, behind the kick panel there's a cable, goes through that wall there. And removing this kick panel trim is horrible. Comes all the way back here and actually goes through the seatbelt mechanism, so you have to just pull and push that out of the way. Obviously you've got to take your tyre off, jack your car up somewhere safe, jack stand, pull out the wheel arch plastic guard, and I don't know if you can see, yeah, there it is. That's where it comes through. And then it runs along here, up under the wheel arch on all those clips, and then through there, where you can see the light, into the battery behind the battery space, which is up over here. It runs in through the battery space here, you can see the cable there, and comes in behind the radiator. So here's where it links up to the actual release mechanism, and it comes through here. The main trick I wanted to show you is when it comes behind the radiator in here, you've actually got to take your radiator mount off so that you can get a bit of play in there and get the cable in behind. Okay, and then obviously we flick this moulded ball on around that lever arm and push this double walled flange, if you want to call it that, back on, and then we're ready for reassembly.